presenting the Samsung Galaxy A52S 5G. The phone has display of 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution and 407 ppi. 16.40 centimeters, 6.5 inch, and 6.5 FHD+ Super AMOLED Infinity OLED display. The phone also has FHD+ resolution. It has always autofocus main camera plus 12MP and 64MP plus 12MP plus 5MP plus 5MP quad camera revolutionary 64MP, f2.2. Ultra-wide camera plus refined macro camera 5MP and plus depth camera 5MP. It has 32MP selfie camera, f2.2. It has 16 colors. It comes with 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 128 GB internal memory, 6 GB RAM and expandable memory up to 1 TB. It runs on Android 11 One UI Core 3.1, octa-core 2.4 GHz plus 1.8 GHz. It is powered by octa-core processor. It also features always camera and dual-SIM camera and fast charging.